So to have you put this in split screen, you're going to have to make sure that you have the Office 365 desktop app open. To do that, make sure that you've gone to Office 365 on the desktop, and then you click on OneDrive so that you have OneDrive open. Then what you're going to do is you are going to, while in OneNote, you're going to take your mouse at the top over here, and you're going to click, and while holding the click down, you're going to drag this all the way to the left side or the right side of the screen until the mouse physically hits the side. Notice I'm not in the corner because that will only do 1/4 the screen. It's got to be the side to be half the screen. And when you drag it there, you let go, and then you'll select the other side of the screen so you have OneNote open and OneDrive open. Another way to do that is you could hold down the Windows key and then hit the left arrow, which will put that on left, and when you let go of the Windows key, you can then select it. So there's two ways to split your screen, and your screenshot should show that you're in split screen like so. And then you're going to paste that in step number 5 over here. And that's it.